Have you ever bought a toy catapult and it can't hit the same target twice because it's not very accurate?
This catapult kit from Crunchlabs says it can land shots in the same spot over and over. Stick around to the end of the video and see if it does what it actually claims.
Today, we're building and testing the Crunchlabs Domino Catapult. It uses the concept of projectile motion to create repeatable shots with simple tweaks kids can easily control.
We'll test the accuracy, power, and set up some cool trick shots.
At the end, we'll give you our honest thoughts about the kit and see if it stacks up against the other kits we've built in the past.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan.
And I'm Ryan.
Welcome to the Bonding Blueprint.
So, here's the science in simple terms. If you keep the angle and speed the same, since gravity is always the same, the ball should land in the same place each time.
So it's like a science class, but with tiny cannonballs flying through the air.
The video that comes with the kit by Mark Rober explains it clearly for kids and parents.
As usual, we watch the video ahead of time and we'll build using the book. Let's get into it.
All right, time to build the Domino Catapult.
Let's do this.
Unbox.
It's by Mark Rober. Ooh. Ah. Okay, let's do this. Enough talky.
Enough talky.
Finally. Okay. We got the book.
The book. And the cool thing about the Domino Catapult is it comes with 3 to build. So Evan's gonna build one,
Yeah.
I'm gonna build one, and
I'm a
the third
clown.
one, Evan will probably build off camera.
I'm a clown.
You are a clown. I mean, oh, you're a clown.
I'm just gonna put it in.
What do we got?
There's some cool wrapping paper.
Cool wrapping paper.
I don't know what these are all the screws.
The nuts and the bolts. So let's take...
Well, first of all, one of the bags fell on the ground, and I can't get it because the camera's behind me.
It's a tough life you lead.
Yeah, I know. No video on Knox.
Yeah. Every box comes with a Mark Rober video.
And you can zoom in on this if you want to see the build video that we watched. It's pretty cool.
This one was a cool video. I like that one.
Yeah. Where's the thing?
I know, I didn't
dude?
grab it. You'll be all right.
No, I won't,
There we
Joseph.
I'm gonna get our Crunchlabs.
Where is it? Where's the...
I like that everything in the kit's recyclable too. Oh, here you go. There's your...
Where?
There it is.
Yeah. Projectile motion.
Yeah, our new kit.
I think we could do that. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so far we have flywheel, ratchet, momentum transfer, and linkages. I can't imagine when we get...
I know, it's gonna all move together.
And
This
it
one
helps
takes
that
up a lot
we're
of room.
recording it, so then we can like look back on it.
Yeah. You get to watch us put them all together. And
Like your moms would probably say.
can't help it. Parents like to take photos and
Yeah,
videos
it's
of their
cringe.
kids and look at them
cringe.
later and say, "Oh,
You're
my
weird.
baby.
You're so weird, bro.
I remember when you
Comment down
were-
below if my dad is kind of cringe.
I remember when you were just in little
Oh, gosh.
diapers."
Save me.
We'll put it over here
Haha.
somewhere.
Dad, look. Dad.
Honk, honk. All right, Mr. Honk Nose.
Okay, let's do this. Ooh, we got some cool.
The trigger plates, that's what they're
Yeah,
called,
those things.
according to this thing. First step.
Okay, let's do this.
Um,
Then we need to these.
and some of these, and some of these, and a few of these. So what do we need? Bolts.
That, I
there's
already
a
got
small
'em.
size and a big size.
I already got 'em.
Well, you got them for you, but I still need some. Remember how he said you want it to line up with the edge? Oh, you'll need another one. I'll take another one.
I will.
Yep, because you got to put one on the other side. Sandwich them together.
Did yours click?
No, I'm holding them in on the backside with my fingers.
Spike clean.
So then I can move it around and... Yeah, there you go. See? Yeah, you just hold it with your other fingers.
Broski.
And then match them up. What are these called? Do you remember?
Nuts.
Nice, good. Good. Get it?
Ah.
Firm. It itches. It itches. All right. So you're gonna need 3 short bolts and then the blue spacer standoffs.
And actually, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
You're skibbity.
Thanks, son.
Let me cook.
Parents, comment down below if you've had to learn a whole slew of new words that your kids come home with.
6, 7, 4, 1.
Now there's a 4-1 and a 6-7?
Yeah, kids
I
at
can't
school
keep up.
say it.
I can't keep up.
It's a 4th grader term.
Oh man.
Don't ask.
I'm not. What?
You're old.
So now we take one of these. You're gonna need one of these. All right, so you get both of them together and then put them each in their own hole, but you gotta do it at kind of the same time.
I did it!
There you go.
Slam.
All right, then now you need the red piece, right? So you gotta get it in the blue and then over that spacer. So then it's all sits. And then once it's all together.
Herm.
Oh, you're close. You're so close. Got it.
Herm 6, 7.
Now there's a Herm 6-7, huh?
No, I just felt like saying
making
Herm
that up.
6, 7. No, it's a real kid lingo. You just don't know any lingo. How do you put this thing on?
So you're gonna have to kind of hold on to it and hover it over the holes, and then you gotta take the small bolts and screw them into the standoffs from the other side.
Screw, screw, screw.
This one might be actually one of the more complicated ones that we've built. Did you get all your screws in? You good for the next step?
Yeah, huh? What? Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Pro tip. This dowel controls the angle or trajectory of the catapult's launch. This setting will make your ball have the tallest trajectory and the shortest distance. So if you put it back here, that's gonna be the shortest trajectory. This is gonna go medium length, and then this will be the lowest and I guess maybe furthest. I don't know, but that's something we'll take off and play with it. But you may wanna put it on the back one first for when we're setting it up.
Nah.
And then the O-rings on either side to hold the dowel in place. Your favorite part of these builds, peeling sticky pads.
Bad boy.
Apparently I touched a sore spot. There you go, nailed it.
Give me screw it.
It's like a big earring. What do you think? Does it match my outfit? It's like an earbud.
Kind of ugly. I mean.
Oh, wow. Calling out my fashion choices, huh?
Yeah.
Rude.
What? It's not my fault.
Oh, we need a wing nut for this one here. Wing nut.
nut.
Yeah, it kind of, I think, when you tighten it down, it'll squish it all together. Pro tip. Jigs are custom tools that make building things easier. This twist tie jig helps you install the rubber band. So a jig is just like a tool that helps you do something over and over. So you get your bread tie, your earring, nose ring.
Oh, it tickles. Do it yourself.
And then, it goes through the teardrop. That's why they included that, because it's a little tight.
He's crying.
So you use that to get the rubber band through. Then you take off the bread tie.
Bread tie.
And you hook it up top. Oh.
Are you 6-7ing?
I am. I 6-7 to this thing like crazy. Of course, now you gotta get it off. There you go. Nice. All right.
Boing. Pro tip. When you're doing this,
Leave the bread tie
keep
on.
this on.
So you don't lose track of it. All right. You need a blue one. I need a blue one.
It's like the catapult. No, not the catapult.
The coin spinner?
No.
The coin spinner had something similar, right? The
It's a
rubber
ratchet.
band that would hold it. Right, that one. Good memory. Yeah. So you take one of those plates and you put it on. Oh, look what it does. And then it folds down. So look at the side view. This piece is supposed to rest up against these two notches. Just like that, right? You don't have to force it. And then that sits just like that. You want to get your O-ring on there. At least a bigger O-rings this time.
I think I'm gonna fling it though.
Probably. We usually do at least fling one of these in the house. There you go.
Oh, say, can you see?
You might still be safe.
Yeah. I'm my trick shot right now.
Mine won't hold. It's too heavy. It won't hold because you don't have this tension. You gotta put the tensioner on, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So you put one through the little red piece. But now what you do is you take the orange thing and you move it back so it holds the yellow up against it. And now this is where you, once you get the base on, you start calibrating it.
Oh, my little base.
So we'll put that up there. All right, here's one base for you.
My Mr.
A base
Base.
for me. And some feet. More O-rings.
We need
these.
We need these things. I did it. First one in.
Nice.
Let's go. Comment down below which is better, cats or dogs.
Ooh.
Personally, I think cats.
You gonna start a cats and dogs argument in our channel? Oh, you just have to open this up a little bit and then put it in place. So I think it just slides in the middle. You pull them apart.
Did I do it?
Yeah, there you go. Now you do the fine tuning. Right.
Wait, I wanna see if it works.
Oh, you're gonna do that way? All right, go ahead. Mine's not tuned yet. Oh!
Oh, that was so close.
We're getting pretty close to each other, though. I think we might just have to.
Dun dun dun.
Ooh.
Yeah, yeah.
So, build quality feels solid as usual, and the parts all fit well together.
Fun factor is high. Dialing in trick shots is awesome. I can't wait to try out some more.
Learning value here is strong too. It teaches real physics you can see in action.
What I didn't love is it took some trial and error to fine tune, but it was rewarding once it fires correctly.
Agreed, the trigger can be a little finicky until you set it just right, but once it's dialed in, it's pretty darn repeatable. To help with accuracy, put some weight on the base so it doesn't move slightly when shots are fired or when you're reloading.
Also, shooting different balls or objects can change the landing location, so don't change them out in the middle of a trick shot test.
So, overall thoughts. We wanted builds where kids can learn valuable STEM concepts. This kit nails that like the others we've done.
Let us know in the comments if you have some cool trick shot ideas we can use for the catapult.
And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss our next one.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Dun, 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 dun.
Nice!
It landed in the box.
I know, that's why I put the box there.